Number one, you're going to find the measurement of angle A here. So number one, we take a look at this shape and we need to know the angle measurement. Is there a formula for the angle measurements here? Right? We want to first of all count the number of sides here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So we can say that the number of sides is 4, and that means n is equal to 4. The formula that you want to remember for the interior angles is that n minus 2 times 180 is going to be equal to your total number of angles, is the total sum of interior angles. All right. So here we can now plug in that value. So we plug in the 4 here. 4 minus 2 times 180. And that gets us 4 minus 2 times 180. That is 360. So we know that the total angles inside here is equal to 360 degrees. So that means angle A plus 92 plus 101 plus 68 is going to be equal to 360 degrees. We simplify by combining the values on the left. That gets me angle A plus 261 degrees is equal to 360. Subtract 261 from both sides. That gets me angle A is equal to 99 degrees. That means that this angle here is 99 degrees. Okay? Because the total sum of this interior is equal to 360. All right? So let's grab this formula here, right, and use it for your other problems. So I'm going to be using it also for question B. But I have to determine first of all, what is the number of sides? All right. So here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 number of sides. So n is equal to 6. Let's plug it into the formula. 6 minus 2 times 180 is going to be equal to my total sum of the interior angles. That gets me 720 degrees. That means I can set up this equation. Angle A plus 110 plus 149 plus 91 plus 135 plus 100, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, there's 6. Equals to 720 degrees. Let's combine some like terms here. 110 plus 149 plus 91 plus 135 plus 100 is equal to 558. Angle A plus 585 is equal to 720. Subtract 585 from both sides. You get angle A. Whoops. You get angle A is going to be equal to 720 minus 585 is 135 degrees. Let's look at number C here. Okay, bring over the formula from before. We first of all have to count the amount of sides this shape has. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 sides. So n equals to 5. All right. Now let's plug in the formula. 5 minus 2 times 180 is going to get me my total sum of interior angles. That is 540. That means I can set up this equation. I could say that angle A plus, this is 90 here, 90 plus 130 plus 80 plus 113, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, is equal to 540. All right, let's combine some like terms. 90 plus 130 plus 80 plus 113 is 413. Angle A plus 413 is equal to 540 minus 413 to both sides. We can say angle A is equal to 127 degrees. And let's do the last one here. We have to first of all count the number of sides. The number of sides here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, so n equals to 6. Okay. So 6 minus 2 times 180 is equal to 720. Therefore, I could add up all the angles. Angle A plus 102 plus 146 plus 120 plus 124 plus 158 is equal to 720. Let's combine some like terms. 102 plus 146 plus 120 plus 124 plus 158 plus 720 is, whoa, that's too big. Hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 minus, okay, hold on. 6 divided by 2 times 180 is 720. So all my interior angles here, 102 plus 6 plus 120 plus 650, okay. So angle A plus this total equals to 650 is equal to 720. Subtract the 650 for both sides. Angle A is equal to 720 minus 650. That is 70 degrees. All right, so, all right, there you go. That is your how to find the interior angles given a weirdly shaped object.